Hello, young mathematicians. Welcome back to our exciting math adventure. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of multiplication, and our star for today is the multiplication table of 5. Get ready to explore the amazing magic and patterns hidden within the number 5. We're going to have a fantastic time, so let's get started. So, what exactly does multiplying by 5 really mean? At its heart, it's all about repeatedly adding the number 5. Imagine you have a single group containing 5 items. This can be represented as 1 times 5, which, of course, equals 5. Now, let's say we have 2 separate groups, each containing 5 items. That's 2 times 5, and the result is 10. You can see how we are simply adding 5 each and every time we increase the number of groups. It's like a building block, each block being the number 5, added to the previous pile. Let's continue to build this pattern. 3 groups of 5 is 3 times 5, which gives us a sum of 15. 4 groups of 5 is 4 times 5, and the product is 20. Do you see a pattern emerging yet? The answers, also known as products, are always increasing by 5. 5 times 5 equals 25, a crucial multiplication fact to remember. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 is 45. And finally, 10 times 5 is 50. This is the foundation upon which so much math is built. Now, let's unlock a neat and super useful trick that you can use to easily remember the 5 times table. Take a closer look at the answers we've generated: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Notice how they all consistently end in either a 0 or a 5. That's a truly cool and incredibly helpful pattern. When you multiply an odd number by 5, your answer will always end in a 5. Conversely, when you multiply an even number by 5, your answer will always end in a 0. This is a powerful shortcut that will make memorizing these facts so much easier. Now, let's transition to page 45 in our textbook. We are going to work through some exercises together. These exercises are specifically designed to help us practice the concept of adding 5 repeatedly. Remember, multiplication is essentially a streamlined, faster way to add the same number multiple times. It makes solving complex problems a breeze. Let's tackle the very first exercise. It might present a question like, what is 5 times 3? Well, remember that this is identical to adding 5 3 times 5 plus 5 plus 5. Can you work it out? What do we get? That's right, the answer is 15. Let's confidently move on to the next one. The exercise might ask, what is 5 times 6? This is the same as adding 5 6 times. So, it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. After the addition, the answer is, of course, 30. Keep diligently practicing these exercises, and with each repetition, you will steadily transform into a multiplication master. Always remember the consistent pattern adding 5 repeatedly. And don't ever forget the fantastic trick about the zeros and 5s that appear at the end of our answers. These patterns are your friends, helping you succeed. Congratulations, you have now successfully conquered the multiplication table of 5. And have practiced solving related exercises. Continue to practice regularly, and you'll become a multiplication superstar. The more you use these facts, the easier and faster they will become. See you in our next exciting math lesson, where we'll explore even more fascinating concepts.